Hello students, in today's class we discuss about quadratic equations. So very easy topic, you can score very easily more than 5 to 6 marks in this chapter. It's very easy chapter. So you people know in polynomials I told you quadratic polynomial, right? So the power degree should be 2, right? Yeah, same thing here also. So quadratic equation is nothing but the power should be 2, the degree should be 2 for certain equations. Such equations are called quadratic equations. Example, okay, so see 2x square plus x minus 3 minus 3000 is equal to 0. See, this is an equation. For this equation the degree is 2. Can you see here? The highest degree is 2. Such equations are called quadratic equations. I think you people got it. What is quadratic equation? The equation should contain the degree highest power is 2. Got it? If the equation has degree power is 3 or 4 or 1, then it is not considered as quadratic equation. Got it, students? Yeah, the equation should contain the degree power 2. Okay, so there is a general formula of two quadratic equations. So very important general formula: a x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. This is very important. So this is general syntax, general formula for quadratic equations. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So in place of a, you should not find, in place of a you should not find, the value should not be 0. Got it? So here some number should be there. Instead of 0 there should be some number, and this x square must be there. So I told you quadratic equation means the degree should be 2. Okay, so very important. Standard form of an quadratic equation, you can tell this formula is called standard form of quadratic equations. So by comparing this equation, this standard form, with given equations, I can find out the values a, b and c. Got it? So same thing even I thought in polynomials also. Okay, so here also same thing, you can find the values of a, b and c. Got it? So in your chapter, first exercise is very easy. So you need to check whether the quadratic equation or not. So they'll give one problem you need to solve, and you should tell it is a quadratic equation or not. Got it? So I'll consider certain examples. 2x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. First question. And the second question is 2 bracket 2x plus 3 close the bracket is equals to x square plus 1. So you need to check whether these things are quadratic equation or not. Okay, we'll check it out, it is quadratic equation or not. Okay guys, see I have 3 questions. In these 3 questions, which question is quadratic equation? So what is the meaning of quadratic equation? When the question is solved, that question should be, the degree should be, highest power should be 2, no 3, no 4, it should not be even 1 also, exactly it should be 2. So I'll consider first question. Can you see first question is what is the degree of this first question? It is solved, so degree of first question is 2. So yes, it is in quadratic equation. Yes, it is in quadratic equation. So can you see second one? 2x into 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. So I need to solve this one first. So what I need to do, I need to multiply x inside. So once if I multiply, it will become 2x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus 1. So whatever I have in RHS, I'll send to LHS. 2x square plus 3x minus 6x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this x square is like terms, so I can cancel it. If nothing is there, I'll consider as 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1x square. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. It is an quadratic equation. Why it is a quadratic equation? The degree of the equation is 2. See, the highest degree of a quadratic equation is 2. S. Second one also, it is S. We'll see third one, it is a quadratic equation or not. X into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to x minus 2. See, x I need to multiply inside to remove this bracket. So x into x is x square plus x 1s are 1x plus 8 is equals to, this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So you know formula, right? A square minus b square. So x square plus 1x plus 8 is equals to whatever answer you have in LHS, I'll send it to RHS. It will become minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0. I think you got this one right. X2 square is 4, so it is minus 4. So I'll send this side. So from LHS to RHS, I'll get plus 4. So see here, this x will get cancelled. So remaining is what? 1x. 8 plus 4 is 12 is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes, it is not an quadratic equation because the degree of this quadratic equation is 1. So I told you the degree of the quadratic equation should be 2. So then it is called quadratic equation. So this is what your first exercise to find out the, you need to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, any doubt guys to finding the quadratic equation in this? Okay, so now this is our first exercise. So we'll go for next to solve, how to solve and find out the x value of a quadratic equation. Okay, so next topic is very important. There is 3 methods to find out the x value of a quadratic equation. How to solve that x value and find out the quadratic equation. So I'll consider one question. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. I need to find this value of x. So I need to find the value of x. So there are 3 methods to find out the value of x. One is called splitting middle term, second is formula method, and third is completing square method. So basically for CBSE students, they removed completing square method. Even though I'll do a video for the completing square method, if it is added to the board, CBSE board, you can go and check the video of completing square method also. But in this video I'll teach you how to find out splitting middle term. For splitting middle term also, it's very easy. Commonly from childhood you will be learning splitting middle term. Okay, how to find out the values. If you want that, there is a video, basic video in max, so there you can go and find this splitting middle term. So in this, very important, this year you are learning very important is new formula method. So I'll teach you how to find out formula method and as well as how to find out the nature of the root. Okay, these 2 methods I'll teach you now. Completing square method is in different formula, different method. So I'll do separate video for completing square method as well as for splitting middle term. Obviously you have basic video and in our educator institute you can go and check how to find out the splitting middle term. Okay, so first we'll discuss about the formula method. So very important, it is formula method. Yes, see, the formula method is nothing but x is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac all divided by 2. This is very important formula. 100% formula method, one question will be asked for board exam. Okay, this formula method is very important. If not, if they ask you to find out the splitting middle term. So you people know how to find out in splitting middle term. Even in polynomials I taught you. You have basic video also, you can go and check their maths basics video, there also will get the splitting middle term. Okay, so this topic is very important in quadratic equation in 10th standard CBSE, because this particularly in this question problem will be arised in exam. See, this is a formula, you need to practice this formula. Okay, x is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so let's start the class. See, so I told you how to find out. You need to compare this equation with general formula. So you know what is general formula, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. When I compare this with this equation, if any number is missing, I told you you need to put. See, when you see polynomials and quadratic equation, then only you will come to know. So please go and check my polynomials videos, then you can come to the quadratic equation, then you will be easily you can understand the by polynomials and quadratic equation you will get more than 10 marks. So you can easily score that 10 marks in these two chapters. Okay, so this is a general formula, x square next to x square, coefficient of x square is a, so here also x square coefficient is 2. So then in place of a I have 2 here, so my a value will be 2. In place of b I have minus 3, so if you have sign you will consider even sign also, minus 3. In place of c you have 1. If it is not arranged, you need to arrange this equation to the general formula first thing. If any number is missing, you need to put that missing number as 0. Okay, now in particular given equation I have a value, b value and c value. So I got to a value, b value, c value, and even I find out the values of a, b and c. Now I'll substitute these values in the formula to find out x value. Okay guys, so first I'll write minus, so then I'll come to c, then you need to see the b value, it is minus 3 plus or minus root b is minus 3 square minus 4 into a value is 2, c value is 1, all divided by 2 into 2, a value is 2. So I'll solve it, minus into minus, I'll get plus 3 plus or minus root minus 3 square is nothing but 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, all divided by 4. Next, plus 3 plus or minus root 9 minus 8 is 1 by 4. So which is nothing but plus 3 plus or minus root 1 is nothing but 1 by 4. So this is not an answer guys. So you have here two signs, symbols. Can you see here two symbols? So you will consider first x is equals to plus 3. First you will consider one symbol, plus 1 by 4. So if you solve this one you will get one answer. X is equals to plus 3. After plus you have minus, right? So minus 1 by 4. So if you solve this one you will get one answer, and if you solve this one you will get one answer. Plus 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. So x is equals to 1. You got one answer. So same thing here also. 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4, which is nothing but half. So you got x is equals to half. See, this is how you find out the x and y value. It's very easy. The formula method is very easy. You can score very easily the marks in formula method, that to 3 marks. I hope you got the values of x and y, how to find out. So please do subscribe our channel. Okay, I'll give different type of problems based on this formula method also. You can go and check such videos also, then you'll get the answers. Okay, see, so any doubt how to find out the values of x by formula method? So very easy. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So substituting the values, taking abc value, we'll get the answer. solve. So I'll, okay, so same thing, I'll just consider your exercise 2 point, second exercise, first exercise and third exercise is basically same thing. Okay, so I'll take one problem. So I'll show you how to find out the values of x again by formula method. Got it? See here, in a particular given equation, x minus 1 by x is equals to 3. X minus 1, this question is very important question. Okay, x minus 1 by x is equals to 3. You need to solve and you need to find the values of x. See, the x is in down, right? So I don't have x square. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation when you multiply x to the full equations. So when you multiply x into x is x square, this x will cancel, you will get 1 and you will get is equal to 3x. Good students, so this question is very important. X minus 1 by x is equals to 3. So for this full equations, you need to find out the x value, you need to multiply. So you need to multiply, first you multiply this x into x is x square. So minus 1 by x into x is x will get cancelled, only 1 minus 1 will remain, so I wrote minus 1. So next is 3 into x is 3x. So first next you arrange this full equations. If you arrange, you will get 3x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Whatever 3x is there, I've sent from RHS to LHS and I got it is plus sign. So when it moves from RHS to LHS, it will be negative sign. So it will change the sign. So x square minus 3x minus 1. Now this equation compare with the general formula and you will get a value. What is a value? Nothing is there as a is 1. So a is 1. What is b value? It is nothing but minus 3, and what is c value is nothing but minus 1. So now you got a b value, guys. This is the formula. Substitute, you will get the answer of x2 values. So that 2 value, this is very important. When you get here the value of, when you remove any value from the root, you will get plus or minus, no? So once you need to do plus, once you need to do minus, like this. If you solve, you will get x value, 2 values. So this is very important. Next is what? To find out the nature of the root is very important, to find out the nature of the root. So next reading is to find out nature of the root. So I need to find out the nature of the root. So very important, there are 3 types of natures of the root. So first nature, so I'm not wasting time, I'm going directly to the problems. Okay, first nature is 2 distinct real roots. Second nature, 2 equal real roots. And third nature is nothing but no real roots. So what is the meaning of this one? Simple. So there is a formula to find out the nature of the root. So that formula is nothing but delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. This is a formula. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. This is a formula, very important, keep that in mind. Keep this formula in mind and practice this formula. It's very easy. They'll ask for 1 mark question, so you need to find the nature of the root. So to find the nature of the root, this is a formula, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Suppose they'll give one formula. Going to problem, I need to tell you one thing. So 2 distinct rules when equal to this is greater than symbol, greater than 0. Next, this is equal to 0 and less than 0. So whatever value, if you solve, if you get delta, some value will get delta. Okay, that value, by considering that value, if it is greater than 0, then we'll tell 2 distinct real root. Whatever value I got, if it is negative in sign, so I'll tell it is less than 0, which is nothing but no real roots. If whatever answer, if I get it is exactly to 0, then I'll tell 2 equal real roots. Okay, I'll show you how to find out now. So I'll consider one problem. Okay, 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So same thing, compare and find out the a value. A is 2, b is minus 4 and c is 3. So I got ABC value, put the formula, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what is b square? B value is 4, 4 square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c value is 3. So minus into minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus is plus 4 4 is 16. So I get plus 16 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So answer is minus 8. See, 16 minus 24 is 8, bigger number is 24, so bigger number sign is negative sign, so I took minus 8. So delta, what you got? Minus 8. What is the minus 8 means? It is less than 0 or equal to 0 or greater than 0. Yes, it is less than 0. So minus 8, whatever value I got, minus 8 is less than 0. Then you need to write no real root. Simple guys, it's very easy to find out the nature of the root. Any doubt in finding the nature of the root, they may give any question, any sort of question, any type of question in this way. Just you need to find ABC value, you take the formula, substitute the values, you will get some answer here. If that answer is exactly, if you get here delta is equal to 0 exactly, you need to write two equal real roots. If answer is in any negative sign, so you know negative means it is less than 0, so you should write no real roots. If answer is greater than 0, I mean plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1.1 plus 1.2 plus 0.1, if you get plus 0.1 also, it is greater than 0, so you should tell two distinct real roots. Bacho, it's very easy bacho. So to find out the quadratic equation, so in this chapter only remaining is what, completing square method. So I'll do in next video completing square method. So right now for CBSE board they remote completing square method, so no problem, even though I'll do a video if completing square method is there for the board exam, please see my part 2 video, will get the completing square method. And splitting middle term is there in this chapter. So I told you splitting middle term is in basic max, so I taught there how to find out splitting middle term, so you can go and check there. See you guys, love you, we'll see you in next video, bye. Share this video with your friends, it will be useful to those guys also. It's very easy to score marks in max. I'm there, I'll teach you guys. Okay, so see you guys in next video. Until then, take care, bye, good night.